Yes, so my correct people, I don come your way again with another ogbonge and legitimate informate wey I go like share give all of una. And you see this koko I bring come here na update concerning wetin dey sup with the Federal Republic of Nigeria and the CEO of Binance. No be small matter o. You know say the Nigerian government they don send serious reply give the biggest cryptocurrency exchange platform for the world wey be Binance over the allegations surrounding bribery. And this strong reply now by the federal government of the country Nigeria e dey come after the CEO of Binance wey be Richard Teng. He don be dey yarn say some unidentified person now for inside the country Nigeria bin request for bribe wey go make them dismiss the case wey the Binance get with the Nigerian government. No be small matter my correct people. On the 7th of May 2024 the CEO of Binance wey be Richard Teng, him bin post for inside him blog and na there him come dey yarn say one committee like that for inside the country Nigeria dem bin summon the local council wey dey represent them at that time. He say the committee now him come drop some kind terms and conditions like that give them, and he say the committee they dey demand payment for cryptocurrency in secret, and they still give them the maximum of 48 hours for them to take make up their mind. According to how him tell yarn for inside him blog my correct people, he say council reported back say they don present am with a demand for a significant payment in cryptocurrency wey go dey paid in secret within 48 hours to make these issues go away, and that our decision was expected by the morning. That my correct people na how the CEO of Binance wey be Richard Teng tell yarn for inside him blog. But according to the Nigerian government now through the Ministry of Information and National Orientation, dem say Binance now they dey make false bribery allegations. So according to one statement wey Rabiu Ibrahim wey be the special assistant to the Minister of Information and National Orientation bin released on Wednesday wey be 8 May 2024. He say Binance now dey try to blackmail the Nigerian government so dem go fit escape the investigations. No be small koko my correct people. According to how dem tell yarn am they say Binance Chief Executive Officer wey be Richard Teng now don make false allegations of bribery against unidentified Nigerian government officials wey im talk say they demand $150 million in cryptocurrency payment to resolve the ongoing criminal investigation against the company. And this claim by Binance CEO e dey lack substance na tactics the company dey use to take divert and also to blackmail their way comot from the previous criminal charges wey they dey face for inside Nigeria. No be small matter my correct people. See these allegations omo na serious one o. Na serious one, I dey tell you my correct person, because if dem come touch like this matter come find out say true e get some unidentified Nigerian officials wey come go dey meet the Binance CEO for back say aya give us so money we go close this case. Omo e no go make sense at all. E go spoil the reputation of the country Nigeria. And if e come be say the two wey Richard Teng now dey yarn say na legit, questions now wey we come dey ask na who be the unidentified personnel from the Nigerian government and who send them. But if e be say wetin Richard Teng now dey yarn, Richard Teng wey be the CEO of Binance, if e be say all these allegations all of them now na fallacy upon fallacy, all of them na lie, omo e no go funny at all for a matter because e go come add to the charges now wey they go come plaster against am, because e go come back as if true in dey drop all these allegations to escape all the charges wey they don plaster against him head. But the matter still dey continue my correct people. The Nigerian government come dey yarn say they dey investigate Binance sake of say dem dey allow the platform to be used for money laundering, terrorism financing and foreign exchange manipulation through illegal trading. No be small koko my correct people. You see this matter between Binance now and the federal government no be today e start o, and this thing now the matter dey get serious every blessed day. Comot play, because the CEO now wey be Richard him bin don already yarn before say Nigerian government they don keep im colleague wey be Tigran Gambaryan for more than 70 days, and im come still dey yarn say their company now bin don reach out to we country Nigeria Security and Exchange Commission wey be SEC for inside the month of June 2022 say they wan collaborate on the licensing requirements, but they never get any response. According to how the CEO take write am for inside im blog post my correct people, he say Binance now been actively reach out to the SEC on several occasions to seek practitioner guidance on the licensing process and offer to engage with the Nigerian authorities on a consultative basis. Binance never receive any response from the SEC, and no visual asset service provider don get license under the new regulations to this date. This na how the Binance CEO take write that one for inside im blog, my correct people. And this one na after the SEC bin release regulations wey go require crypto exchanges dem wey dey operate for inside we country Nigeria to obtain a permit and comply with certain requirements dem. Then the Binance CEO now come dey allege say the reference now for one circular like that by the SEC to Binance Nigeria Limited e dey very much incorrect o. According to how the CEO take write am for inside im blog, he say Binance Nigeria Limited no dey affiliated with Binance and na third parties dem na dey register am in violation of the Binance trademark and for arbitrage, but e dey clear say the SEC in ten tion na to dey target the Binance exchange. This na how the CEO take write am for inside im blog, my correct people. Then for inside the month of March, Nadeem Anjarwalla im become run comot for inside we country Nigeria. Then Nigeria news media now bin don already report for inside April 2024 say Kenya Police Service e don arrest the executive of the trading cryptocurrency firm wey be Binance wey escape from custody for inside we country Nigeria. The National Security Adviser wey be Nuhu Ribadu, im don talk for inside one statement like that say Anjarwalla use im Kenya passport to take escape from we country Nigeria. The Nigerian government come dey yarn say dem dey work with security agencies around the continent to make sure say the Binance executive wey run comot go chop arrest again. According to how Ribadu take yarn am, my correct people, he say working with security agencies for Nigeria, Interpol dey currently execute an international arrest warrant on the executive wey dey on the run. No be small matter, my correct people. Then back to the reply wey the federal government give Binance based on the allegations of bribery dem don plaster against the Nigerian government head o. The Nigerian government come dey yarn say the only way wey they go fit resolve the issue na for Binance to submit theirself for investigation. According to how they take yarn am, my correct people, he say we go like to remind Binance o say im no go clear their name for inside we country Nigeria sake of their lie and media campaign o. Say the only way now to resolve the issues na if Binance go submit theirself to investigation and judicial process. This na how the Nigerian government take yarn, my correct people. No be small matter dey happen between the federal government and Binance o. But as I'm talking to you right now, the government of Nigeria they don dey yarn say they no go gree for any form of blackmail at all. They no go gree make Binance come dey jones them anyhow or come dey use their name come dey do anyhow. That one no go make sense at all. But my correct person, whether na Binance na dey talk truth, we no know. Abi na the government na dey talk truth, we no know. But wetin we know be say na evidence na we go believe. If Binance know very well say e get some unidentified Nigerian personnel abi Nigerian officials dem wey approach them say aya bring some kind money, then we go let this your case now just go fiam, go just disappear. Make him bring evidence say see o, wetin I dey yarn na legit o. Because if you no go fit bring evidence now to prove im point, omo, these allegations I no sure say the Nigerian government they go let am fly like that o. E go result to another count charge wey they go plaster on top Binance CEO head. You understand? But my correct person, anyhow the koko be you for body, feel free make you drop am inside our comment section. You know say this na Anointed Lady TV and now we dey like give you only ogbonge and legitimate news on wetin dey sup for inside we country Nigeria. So if you never subscribe to this channel, make you try to subscribe and make you turn on the notification bell so that as we bring the news they come, now you go first get the updates and you go get them sharp. And make you try to share the news to your family and friends, so that them too they go get updates on wetin dey sup for inside we country Nigeria. And they bring on that update for you, my correct person. No go anywhere.